Hi. So in this chapter, now we will see how to remove the set items. Removing the set items. Okay. So for removing an item in a set, we will use two commands. Remove and or discard. DISCARD. This method. Okay, these both two are used basically for removing the item from a set. So first, sorry, we will see how to use the remove method. Let me take an example. Let's say there is a value of a. Okay, b and now c. We have three items in a set, so called Sharad. Okay, I want to remove b. So for removing b, I'll use Sharad dot, I will use remove command. What I want to remove? I want to remove b. So I'll print Sharad now. If I'll run, then b is been removed. Only a and c are present in the list, in the set, and the length is almost 2. Okay, a simple one. If the item to remove does not exist, just suppose here, let me write D. As you know, D is not here. So what will happen? It will raise an error. If I run this, it will raise an error. Okay. So if you are doing the same thing, you need to put a exceptions of if and else statement. We will see this in a live project or a live Python development when we will create a software type of thing or we will create a project. There you will see the concept behind this. Okay, so let me write it. Let it be the same. If I'll run this, A and C is present now in the Sharad. So this is the remove concept. And what about the discard? This discard. Another example. So let me take the same thing. Let me write here discard method. If I'll use the discard here, DISCARD, and discard banana, A and C, the same thing. And here the good thing is, if the item to remove does not exist, if you will use the discard method, then it will not raise an error. If you will use remove, then the error will happen, and if you will use discard method, the error will not happen. Let me show you. If I'll use the D, the same thing here, look, nothing is happening. It just printed the same thing. Okay, nothing happened. No exceptions of error. Okay, so this is the basic difference between remove and discard. Even you can use pop method also for removing the item, but this method will remove the random item, so you cannot be sure what item get removed. Okay, so let me show you. By using the pop method also, we can remove the random item. Okay, you cannot be sure what items that gets be removed. Let me use the same example, but here the thing will be different. Let me delete it. In Sharad, now we have ABC. Okay, now I'll take X and I'll use Sharad dot POP. POP generally remove the last item in the list and in the tuple, but here there are no indexes allowed. Okay, so we really don't know what item gets removed. So if I'll print X now, B, okay, it removed B, and if I'll print the set, the same set, print Sharad now, and you can see it almost popped B, it cut it down, it removed B, and it, when we print Sharad, A and C is the item available in the variable. Okay, sets are basically unordered, so when using the pop method you don't know which item gets removed. Okay, so you should understood this, otherwise it will show you not the output, actual output what you want. Okay, so if when you are using the pop method, use it very carefully. And there is one more method, so called clear method. It basically what empties the set. EMP. I apologize for my spelling actually. No, just remove this. Okay, now I'll copy this first. So just suppose I want to empty the set. So what I'll do, I'll use Sharad dot clear. So, and when I'll print this, I will get nothing. Set is now empty. So it is showing me just a set. Set is now empty. No items are there. ABC is now gone. And what if you want to delete the overall set? Let's delete the set. So here we will use the del keyword, and this will delete the set completely. Okay, so just suppose Sharad contain ABC, so we will use del, and then we will del Sharad. Okay, and well, we will print this, it will not get printed, even it shows me an error that what Sharad is not exist. Look, name Sharad is not defined because we have deleted the set. Okay, so these are the pretty basic concepts behind the removing of the set items and the set even. Okay, so there are only certain method available: remove, discard, pop, clear, and what, delete. So you can use any of them as per your convenience, as per your necessity. Okay, so hope you understood this section. That's all for this section, and we will see in the next chapter we will see the looping part, how to loop through the sets. Okay, for accessing the item, for printing something. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye bye.